Hello everybody, here's my latest piece, which you may recognise because yes, it's a remake. What happened was the last one sold so quickly that I didn't get time to enjoy it, so I've made it again. Of course, I forgot how time consuming and fiddly it is going around all those blossoms, but never mind. But this time I've used a periwinkle for the background and I really like it. I think the sort of mauve quality of it is really complementing the blossom. We've got the swallow, of course, as a focal point. And the inspiration for this was really Vincent van Gogh's almond blossom painting, which I saw in the Vincent van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam. Beautiful painting. He in turn was inspired by Japanese prints, which were coming over at the time, even as wrapping paper, and he and Gauguin would collect these. And I think the most influential thing about the Japanese prints is the composition, the use of negative space. So that becomes just as important as the subject itself, which I think we've got here. Anyway, as usual, I've written an accompanying verse which goes like this. Swallow and blossom tree. The inspiration in this instance is just the same as it was for Vincent's. These lovely blossoms with their pastel tints all began with Japanese prints.